Hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between ElevenLabs Music versus Suno AI. Which AI music tool is better? Now these services promise to transform text into compelling musical tracks, but they both have unique approaches and offerings. We'll be taking a look at the features, pricing, pros and cons, and at the end you have solid reasons to make your choice. We have the links to both services in the description so you can get a head start at the end of this video. Now both ElevenLabs and Suno AI generate full songs from text prompt, supporting multiple genres and languages. However, their unique features set them apart. When it comes to editing and control, ElevenLabs offers fine-tuned control over song structure, allowing you to define sections like intro, verse, and chorus. It also features advanced editing to refine lyrics and styles within specific sections. Suno, on the other hand, provides a timeline editor for dragging and dropping sections and also offers tools for rewriting lyrics and creating instrumental breaks. When it comes to audio quality and export, ElevenLabs Music generates high-fidelity MP3s, making it suitable for professional use. Suno AI's paid plans offer high-quality audio as well and the ability to export up to 12 vocal and instrumental stems. And this is a feature prized by music producers. When it comes to the platform's ecosystem, ElevenLabs Music is part of a larger audio suite that includes a robust text-to-speech, voice cloning, and professional audio studio. Suno AI, on the other hand, focuses almost exclusively on music creation, but also offers dedicated mobile apps and features like a remastering option for older tracks. Now to the pricing. ElevenLabs uses a credit-based system. The free plan provides 11 minutes of audio, and this is ideal for testing the platform, and no commercial license is included. The starter plan at $5 offers 22 minutes for audio and a commercial license. The creator plan, which is the most popular, comes at $22 per month, but currently at $11. And you get a 50% discount on the first month. And this includes 62 minutes of audio and higher quality audio. And this plan is recommended for creators who need more advanced features and a commercial license for premium content. Suno AI also uses a credit-based system. You have the basic, which is free every month, and it provides 50 daily credits. And this is for experimentation with commercial rights. Then you have the Pro plan. This is the most popular plan and it comes at $8 per month. And this gives 2,500 credits monthly with commercial rights and advanced editing tools. This plan is highly recommended for serious creators and businesses due to its affordability and commercial rights. The Premier plan at $24 per month offers 10,000 monthly credits for power users who need high volume creations. Now when it comes to the pros and cons, ElevenLabs Music on the strong side has superior control over song structure and fine-tuning. It's also part of a comprehensive suite with voice cloning. It provides excellent high-fidelity audio. The free plan is good for testing without long-term commitment, and there is a strong legal backing for licensed deals. On the downside, the minute-based pricing can be less intuitive. Also, there is no dedicated mobile app for on-the-go creation. It does have a slower processing time than some competitors, and the AI may produce rigid or generic lyrics at times. Suno, on the other hand, with the strength, has a user-friendly interface for fast and easy song creation. It has a generous free plan for casual use, affordable commercial rights on paid plans, stem extraction for professional workflows, and a dedicated mobile app. On the downside, you have less granular control over song structure than ElevenLabs, and the free plan lacks commercial usage rights. The AI model can struggle with complex or niche genres, and the quality can be inconsistent without fine-tuning. In conclusion, both ElevenLabs and Suno AI depends on your specific needs as a creator. If you're a professional looking for a powerful tool with fine-grained control, high-quality audio, and broader suite of audio tools, ElevenLabs is likely the better choice. However, if you're a hobbyist, a beginner, or someone who prioritizes use and quick, ready-to-go tracks, Suno AI is an excellent option. Don't forget to check out the links to both ElevenLabs Music and Suno AI in the description below so you can enjoy these services according to your pick. Do let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.